Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Dr. Riazuddin. I am here with a new medicine named stramonium. This is medicine come from herbal or you may call it plant kingdom. The entire force of this drug seems to be expanded on the brain through the skin and throat shows some disturbance. Suppressed secretions and excretion passes neither urine nor stool. Sensation as if limbs were separated from body. Delirium, tremens, absence of pain and muscular mobility, especially of muscles of expressions and of locomotion. Gyratory and graceful motions. Parkinson's produces marked and persist disorders of the mental faculty. Hallucination, fixed notions, terrifying delirium, etc. Therefore, it is a remedy of terror, but it does not, in its ordinary effect, cause actual pain. Throat, skin, and spinal nerves are affected as well. Tremors, nerves, convulsion, spasm at night after masturbation, paralysis of one side, convulsion of the other side, or unilateral paralysis and twitching. Chorea, epilepsy from fright, hysteria, weeping, laughing, and sexual excitement. Catalepsy, lips can be moved by others. Tonic and clonic spasm. Traumatic neuritis, general paralysis of the insane. Hydrophobia, delusions as to size and distance. Face constantly changes its expression owing to the involuntary contractions of the various muscles, rarely useful in that form of chorea that persistently attacks certain muscles. Convulsions very easily brought on or renewed. A lighted candle, a mirror, running water, or the attempt to drink may bring or most frightful spasm, convulsion and screams, shrieking voice, rage, and more violent excitement. Increased and easy mobility of the muscles subservient to the will. It means it is voluntary musculature and slowness of the muscles not subject to the will, involuntary musculature. Painless with most of the ailment. Eye troubles and irritant of the brain from overstudy, especially of students compelled to do much night work. My dear, I am talking about this medicine due to its very strong mental symptoms. So now look at the mental symptoms. What Boric and other doctors describe about this medicine. So mind, parts of the body seems enormously swollen, devout, earnest, beseeching, and ceaseless talking. Loquacious, garrulous, laughing, singing, swearing, praying, rhyming. See ghost, hears voices, talks with spirits, rapid changes from joy to sadness, violent and lewd. Delicious about his identity. Doubt, a part missing, lying crosswise, one half of the body cut off. Religious mania, cannot bear solitude or darkness, must have light and company. Sight of water or anything glittering brings on spasm, delirium, and desire to escape. Dear students, if you look at belladonna, bryonia, rustox, you may find the same symptoms, but there might be a bit difference. Stramonium is a very deep and a bit slow acting medicine, and the symptoms evolve in these types of patients are very deep and may appear in a very long run. On the other hand, belladonna and rustox patient symptoms are very acute. They appear within few hours or in few days. Awakes terrified, knows no one, screams with fright, cling to those near him, especially child. Child does not know where it is called for parents, although they may be present trying to console it. Fearful hallucination which terrify the patients, sees ghosts vividly brilliant or hideous phantoms, animals jumping sideways out of ground or running to him, wildly excited as in night terrors, does all sorts of crazy things, raving mania and cold sweat. Religiously, instantly, the talk of others is intolerable. Self accusation, loss of reason or of speech, talks in foreign tongue, laughs at night, during day proud. Um, this type of situation is normally called a ride, or a type of mania which in low lying areas or in poor countries people consider that a ghost or a spirit take over him, and now he is under the control of that spirit or that baba or that jinn. So you have to study these points very thoroughly. Haughty, merry, exaltation, fear, and anxiety on hearing water run. Aversion to all fluids, mania, curse, tears, his cloths with teeth. Violent speech, expose the person, sits silent, eyes on ground, picking at her clothes, wants to kill people or himself. An anxiety when going through a tunnel. Exalted state, settled melancholy, everything, everybody seems new. Wife thinks husband is neglected her. Man thinks his wife is faithful. In fact, the word should be used faithless, because people are really, really very doubtful and they don't know how and where and in which manner they have to settle their relations. So, especially sees small black animals such as bugs, dogs, and all sorts of crawling things with the frightful delirium. He froth at the mouth, eyes protrude as in terror, bites, strikes, and has squeaking voice. Apprehension starts up in a fright, all motions are hasty and forcible, stupid indifference to everybody and everything. The child on waking is frightened at everything that first meets its eye, wants to run away from them. Unconscious snoring, jaws hang down, hangs and feet twitched. Pupil dilated, weak memory loses thoughts before she can utter them. Calls things by wrong names. Young man or woman who prays, sings, or talks so devotedly or constantly as to excite the sympathy of all in the home, cannot bear to be alone, wants hands to be held, pangs of conscience, thinks he is not honest, does not know his friends, raves about his business. Victims of mental violence, full of excitement and rage. The loquacity of storm, unlike that of lack and hyoscyamus. It means these symptoms are quite different from laxus and hyoscyamus. Is confined to one subject, talks of nothing but one subject. Chases imaginary object, desires for company during menaces. Delusion, bed drawn from under her, body alive on one side, buried on the other. Dogs attack him, that he is falling. Room is on fire, thinks he is nagged. Impression of danger, fishes, flies, etc. Thinks he is divine, that he is communication with God. Indicates his desires by motion of hands, praying at night, sadness in sunshine, weeping in dark, weeps all night, laughs all day, involuntary weeping. Vinegar, desire to break things, aversion to everything that is black and somber or sober. Childish behavior, gossips, hurry up in movement, indifferent, does not complain. Loquacity during menaces, player in his own talk, threatening. While you may call these things very uncommon, but if you belong to third world countries, you may found these people few and far between in your meetings. Few people merely call them apostle or rasuls, or some people call them Mehdis or etc. So we can easily find them in our localities. If we look at the modalities, verse, bright or shining objects, mirrors, surface of water, etc. Fright after sleep, darkness, cloudy days, swallowing, suppressions, intemperance, tooth when alone. Better. These patients are better when in light, with when they are with people's, warmth in the house and with the cold water. Lifting head from pillow, vomiting of bile, walking, involuntary micturition after motion, vomiting of bile, palpitation, pain in back, shoulder and abdomen, whilst sitting, involuntary urination, cough, lower limbs to be jerked up. Conditions: ailment of young plethoric persons, especially of child. So in a very in a way we can call these very strong mental symptoms to indicate a person which is melancholic or very bad with the society. But if we select this remedies named stramonium, we may cure a patient with very ease and with care. So we will discuss on this medicine in a different manner in Urdu language. So please wait for our that lecture too. Assalamu alaikum.